Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a research system uh, for your notebook LM. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. And let's dive right into the topic. I have also attached the link to the notebook LM in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. On the left-hand side, I have all the sources that I have plugged in so far. On the right-hand side, I have the studio panel. But obviously, the if I have to find the gaps in my notebook LM and all the research that I've been doing, the sources are just not enough. The PDFs that I have is not enough. In order to be more specific, I have to research about it. So just click on Add Sources option and then click on Web and then click on Deep Research. Uh, find the gaps in my uh, So it will start researching about it. It will start planning it. Once it will gather all the information, whether it's structure, whether it's unstructured. Unstructured information is documents, PDF. Structured information is CSV files and XLS files, all that stuff. So all you have to do is to import all the gaps and all the files that been researched by the Gemini as well apart from your own sources. And if you just want to rely on your own sources, that's pretty simple. The next steps are identical to what if you have your own sources or if you research about it using Gemini. Over here, you will see the label source option. Click on that. It will say add a new label, reorganize, return to new list. And if you guys want to add a new label, that could be folder or reorganize all resources, just click on that and it will start reorganizing it using Gemini. You don't have to do it yourself. So it's very easy, pretty simple. I know you probably like the understanding of all this thing. And this is how you guys can do it as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.